How can you delete Gmail messages all at once on the iPhone? So I'm going to show you what's possible and how I like to do it. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So you can get inside the Gmail app. I like to use the official one from Google, right? So I get inside, and if you want to select all of the emails to delete it, it's kind of harder to do, but there is some workaround, which takes a little bit of time, but I guess it's doable and worth it. So you can hold it down on the message, right? And you can see that you get the ability to select multiple of them, but there is also the select all button at the top, which you can click on, but you can see that the select all kind of gets limited to just 50 emails, right? So that doesn't do too much, even though that saves us a lot of time, right? So we can just move 50 emails at once to trash. That's good enough already, but we can go to the bottom like this and you can see more of them get selected, right? So as you can see, now I get it to select all and it's now 100. I can keep on going, right? Like this, and now I'm going to select all, and now I have 507 of them selected. So you can see that I essentially managed to select all of them, 530 emails at once, right? So that's kind of like, you have to kind of like load them into the background, so you have to scroll enough to get there, and then when you click on select all, you'll be able to get them all at once. So now 530 emails just hit the trash and now it's all gone. So yeah, that's kind of how I like to do it. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.